School World Gaps. So today we will start with grade 8 physics chapter 1 force and pressure, and we are gonna do petriotic pressure. So let's start. This is the part 3. Wait for some time. Until that time, meet you. And 1, 2, 3, go! And yes, from today we are showing our face cam. So please like, share and subscribe School World Gaps. At the end of this video, we'll do a small activity. So now, let's move ahead and let's move on. Wow, now what is this pressure? It's all new things, yeah. Why are we learning new things? Don't worry, new things are the key to success. They are the things by which we get our success. So let's see what is pressure. And yes, it's not a new thing. You might have seen it in your daily life. Pressure is the basic part of our life. It is the basic unit of our life. We all have experienced pressure. Now what is pressure? Pressure is the effect of force acting on a surface. For example, this is my surface and this is the force applied. So this is pressure that is acting upon my surface. You can see due to it, this is happening. And it depends upon the amount of force applied, and the pressure depends upon the area of the contact. This is the area of the contact. If this was there, my palm, this area of the contact, if like this force was applied, the area of contact was only this much. This is what pressure means. This is what area of contact means. Now pressure equals to force by area of contact. Pressure is equals to force applied by the area of contact. This is the formula. So pressure is the amount of force applied upon a surface of contact. So now we will move on to next slide. We will see that atmospheric pressure. We will see something. We will do some comedy. Here you go. After some time we will do it. But till that time you understand it. It's very important. Means force per area. Force by area is equals to pressure. Now we will see. After in the next part we will see that what means if pressure is high, then force will be lower. And if pressure is less, then force will be greater. We will see that. Don't worry. Now, let's move on to units of pressure. Now you have seen acceleration, right? What is acceleration? Let me tell the formula. If you are not, don't worry. We will post in video. And yes, acceleration equals to V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 by time. So the velocity, the unit of velocity is meters per second, and the unit of time is seconds. So the overall time at the overall unit is meter per second square. So now let's see what we have ahead. So same as pressure, what we have, pressure equals to force by area. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of area is meter squared. Thus pressure equals to Newton per meter square, which is Newton by meter squared. Whatsoever you say, it's the same. As you have seen in the video of Pascal's law, yes, you see that video. The link will be in the description. Please see it and like, share, and subscribe. School World. We have seen that the Sir Blaise Pascal, a great scientist, invented the unit of pressure. This pressure unit was invented by him, and it is called Pascal. For your knowledge, it is called pascals. Yes, the unit of pressure is called Pascal. We will move next. We will move to the next slide and a bunch of comedy will do that. But till that time, keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe School World. Here it goes. Yes, everything is going right. Atmospheric pressure. What if I say there is a dozen of pressure on your head? Oh my goodness. Exams are there. What should I do? No, wait. Don't misunderstand. Not that pressure. I'm talking about the pressure of air. Our earth is surrounded by 120 kilometers of air ranging from down to the earth to the top till the space. And yes, this air has a lot of pressure on us, and you are experiencing it now. I am experiencing it now, and everyone is experiencing it. So this pressure is of 100,000 Newton per meter squared, which is 1 lakh Newton per meter squared. It's a lot of pressure. Barometer is an instrument which is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Yes, there are different instruments. Barometer is one of them to measure the atmospheric pressure. Let's move on to the next slide. Wait for some time. A bit like that, yes, a bit like that. Atmospheric pressure, yes. So now we will now learn what is basically there we will see liquid pressure. Yes, it's liquid. No. Let us turn off the switch of fact. Let us turn on it. Let us turn on. Fact time equals to on. Let me bring the fact. Here's the fact. Did you know that we cannot dive 120 kilometers deep inside the ocean, or else the pressure will kill us? Yes, it's a fact. We can't go 120 meter inside the ocean. We will get killed. And yes, it's a true thing. And also, did you know that a dam has a thickened and broadened wall at the top and the bottom, so that it makes the dam withstand the high pressure of water acting on the walls. The water has high pressure. Now we will see pressures of liquid. What is this? New topic, like? No, it's not new. Like air, water also exerts some pressure. This pressure is called liquid pressure or pressure of liquids. This was explained clearly in the Pascal's law video. Please go there, please see it, please like, share and subscribe School World. The link is in the description. You must see that video. And yes, there is an experiment. Please carry it out. I would like you to carry it out. But safety first. So here we have a doodle-like thing which says safety first. Yes, precaution is better than cure. The pressure at the bottom of the sea is greater than the pressure at the top. It's the right thing. The pressure is greater. We will understand it by small little activity at that time. So at the end of the video, that clip is there. Please see it and please like, share and subscribe School World. So here we go. The next thing comes. Now everything is going right. Everything's going. Yes, this is an important question. Please try to solve. And I'm teacher. Now I'm a teacher. Hey you, student, come here. I would like you to solve this sum. Bring the whiteboard. Bring the question. Bring the question. That is the question. Can you see it? Read it. Yes, sir. You are at the bottom of Pacific Ocean at trench. You are getting a pressure on you of 1,20,000 Newton per meter. Assume that your torsos are of square and the edge of your head is 10 centimeter. What is the force applied on you? Answer in Newton per kilometer square. Can you solve it? Did you understand the question? Yes, sir. Let's solve it. You are at the bottom of Pacific Ocean at Mariana Trench. By the way, if you don't know, Mariana Trench is the deepest point on the earth. You are getting a pressure of 1,20,000 Newton per meter square, which is 120,000 Newton per meter square. And assume that your head, torso means the shape of a body part. Let's take your head here, and they have said head, so the head is squared in shape. Let it be squared, and the edge, which is called this part, basically you can see this part is 10 centimeter.